Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover Google Authenticator tutorial. So let's get started. So now here we are in our Google Authenticator. And if you would want to recover all of your codes, so let's say that you lost your other device and you'd like to recover all of your Google Authenticator codes there, then what you would need is that you would simply need to log in that Google account into your new phone right here, so that you would also get the Google Authenticator codes from that other device. So that is the only way right here. So the problem here would be if you can sign in to the Google account that you have those codes on. So that is what we'll be tackling with this one, because the only way that you can get your codes is by logging in your Google account right here that has the codes that you would want to get or to recover. So in here, we have assigned in here to Google account. So make sure that you'd be able to sign into your Google account, into your Google Authenticator. So let's say that you can't sign in. That is why you are having trouble recovering your codes there in Google Authenticator. So in here, let's just provide our email. So let's say we know our email and click here on next, but we don't know our password, or maybe you don't have the Google Authenticator codes anymore. Maybe your account would require to Google Authenticator code to sign in. Then what you would need is that you would need to click here on forget password. And then from here, as you can see, it says right here, Google Authenticator app, but I don't have that obviously. So this is a problem. So I'm gonna click here on try another way. And in this one, it would also try to go for the phone number that was associated with your mobile, with your Google account. So you can also try this, and you can enter the phone number right here. And after you have provided that and hit and send, you would now receive a code. So just simply put the code right here and click on next. And then after that, we will now be here in this process. So now you can choose how you would want to sign in. You can get a verification code in this email, or a verification code on the email that you have associated with this Google account. So this is your way. So in my case, I'll just go for this one right here. And now I need that code. So I'm gonna go to my other email and get that code. And here it is. So basically just type the code right here and click on next. And then from here, you can now update your password if you would want to, or you can continue right here if you don't want to update or change your password right here. So I'm gonna just click on continue. And there it is. I am now logged in into my account just like that. So with this one, which means I am now logged in, I can now also easily log in into my Google Authenticator app. In this way, I would now be able to recover the codes from my other Google Authenticator app that I have lost, and so on. So yeah, this is the only way that you can do this. And take note, if you don't have any associated email or phone number into your Google account that has the Google Authenticator codes on, then your only choice would be to contact Google support. This is your only choice because they are the only one that can recover your account if you don't have any associated phone number or don't have any other way to recover your account. So yeah, that is basically it for this video on how you can recover your Google Authenticator codes. Thank you for watching.